In today's video, I will walk you through how to number rows automatically in Google Sheets. First, make sure you're signed into your Google account. Click the 9-dot menu in the top right corner and select Google Sheets. Open the spreadsheet where you want the automatic numbering to appear, or create a new blank sheet. Go to the first column, usually column A. In the first 3 cells, type 1, 2, and 3. Next, highlight all 3 cells. Then look for the small blue square at the bottom right corner of the selection. This is the fill handle. Move your cursor over the blue square until it changes into a plus sign. Click and drag it downward through the rows you want to number. Google Sheets will automatically continue the sequence for you with 4, 5, 6, and more. That's it. Your rows are now automatically numbered in Google Sheets. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, leave a comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thank you for watching the video.